This video is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal activities. Any action taken based on the information in this video are solely at your own risk. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing systems or networks that do not belong to you. The information in this video should be used responsibly and ethically.
So this is our HackRF One board, and in this video we are going to install the Mayhem firmware for the very first time on this board. So let's just first disassemble this board and then we will install the Mayhem firmware in it. So let's just remove these screws. So we have disassembled this board with the case, and now we are going to install the Mayhem firmware. So let's just connect this board with our system. And let's just check our board. So let's just type HackRF info to see our board. And over here you can see the board is connected. You can see the serial number and versions. So let's just install the Mayhem firmware. So first we have to download the Mayhem firmware from this link. Let me show you the link. So this is the link on which you have to download the Mayhem firmware. So if you are installing the Mayhem firmware for the very first time, you have to go to this release page, GitHub, and you have to download this Mayhem, the version and the firmware.zip file. And you have to separately download the SD card files, and you just need to copy these files in your SD card. That's it. And with this firmware.zip file, we are going to install the Mayhem firmware on our HackRF One board. So let's just see. So our board is connected and I've already downloaded the zip file. So let me just do ls, and over here you can see the zip file. So let me just go cd Mayhem firmware and let's just do ls. Over here you can see this file, PortaPack -h1_h2 mayhem.bin file. This is our file through which we are going to flash the firmware. So let's just clear, and we are going to use the HackRF One command, which is HackRF_SPI flash, and we have to use the file name, which is PortaPack -h1_h2 mayhem.bin. Let's just hit enter. And we have to use it with W option. Over here you can see W option for write the file. So let's just clear out and let's just use this file with W option. And over here you can see it's flashing the firmware, and the firmware is flashed. And all we have to do is we have to just reset our board one time. So let me just disconnect and reconnect my board. And let's just type HackRF now, HackRF info. The board is not connected. Let me connect the board. And now over here you can see the firmware version is updated to 2.0.2. That means our firmware is installed. So this is the firmware which we downloaded, the Mayhem firmware, and our firmware is installed. Over here you can see. So this is the way in which you can install the firmware on the first time on your HackRF One board. And in our next video, we are going to assemble this board with our PortaPack H4M PortaPack and see how it goes. Thank you.